Hey angels, welcome back, and I'm really sorry that there wasn't a video up on Monday. I've had builders in my house, workmen in my house for the last few days, so I do apologise for that. It was a lot of banging and noise, so I couldn't really do anything about that. So yeah, I do apologise for there not being a video up. So today's Wednesday, tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so I thought that I would get some like of my cheapest makeup products and basically just show you guys that you can do a quick look on a budget. I think altogether this makeup that I'm going to be putting on my face today is like £18.50, and it was all in my collection. So it's some of my quite cheap makeup, but even though it's cheap makeup, I still find that I can still make a really nice pretty look with it. So yeah.
Not my hair. I'm trying to use less like heat products on it, and I know it looks shockingly a mess.
So this is like all naturally curly at the minute, so I do apologise for that. I really need to get my roots done. So yeah, let's jump into it. So I'm going to hide some of this hair with my Minnie Mouse headband. So I'm going to be going on to eyebrows first, and to be honest, Primark have some of the best eyebrow products at the moment. So I'm going to be using this one. I've only tried this once on my channel, and it's the brow pencil, and it's in dark brown. Tidy them up and carve them out a little bit. I'm going to be using the PS My Perfect Colour concealer, and I'm just going to carve out my brows. To set that in place, I'm going to be using the MUA pressed powder. Now the brushes aren't included in this £18.50 full face, but I can get some cheap brushes. I mean, eBay brushes are really good. If you buy like the packs, I think they're like £6 or £7 for a pack of like 30 brushes. They are really good. I have got some in my collection, which I probably will be using at some point today. Going on to eyes, and this feels like it's just completely Primark, but it's not, I assure you. There are other products as well. But for the eyeshadow, I'm absolutely in love with this little palette. It's the Berry Velvets palette from Primark. It's £3. It's like a Huda Beauty dupe, and I have done a full review on this little palette, so if you want to see that, I will link that above. So the first shade I'm going to go into is this one here, which is called Sweetness, and then I'm just going to pop that straight into the crease. I'm going to now go into this shade, which is called Devotion. Deepen up that crease using that shade. So taking my big unicorn fluffy brush, I'm just going to buff out that harsh line. I'm just going to like tickle that and just really blend it in.
Listen to me like I know what I'm talking about. I really don't. I'm just like your girl next door, just popping some makeup on her face.
I'm going to go into this like mauvey purple, and it's called Tough Love. I'm going to just pop that into the outer corners, and I'm using a little pencil brush, more defined fluffy brush, and I'm going to be quite precise with this, as precise as I can be anyway. And this is just a brush from eBay, out of one of my eBay collections. So using the concealer that we used before, I'm going to cut the crease. I'm just going to take this Sweetness shade and pop that on top of that concealer. Now I'm going to go into this more rosy type pink, and it's called Desire, and I'm going to pop that on top. I'm going to go into this little shimmer shade, and it's called Crush, and I'm just going to pop that a little bit on top with my finger. For primer, I'm just going to be using my PS primer water. You can use this primer water before, during and after your makeup. I absolutely love, love, love this primer water. I cannot rave about it enough. It basically preps your skin for makeup application, it hydrates and it refreshes. It's silicone free, alcohol free and oil free, and it is £2 from Primark, guys, and
I am absolutely in love with this stuff. So I'm obsessed and I'm going to spritz it on my face. I love this stuff so much. And it's not sponsored. Wish it was, but it's not. Kidding. Kinda. Maybe not.
So for foundation, guys, today I'm going to be using the Revolution Pro Foundation Drops, and these are in F4. Absolutely love this foundation. It's like a nice dewy finish, but not too dewy so you look completely like wet through. But it's a really, really nice foundation. It doesn't feel heavy on your face. And I suffer from, I mean, I've got really dry skin, so this is really a really nice foundation. I can't get my words out. This is a really nice foundation if you've got dry skin, dry to normal skin actually, or you like that dewy look. It doesn't feel heavy, and it doesn't even feel like I've got anything on my face, to be fair. I'm going to be using the same concealer as before. Set that all in place before I crease like a hot mess. I'm going to be using the MUA Press Powder like we did before. Then I'm going to be using my more fluffier brush and set the rest of my face using that same powder. So just to bronze up my face a little bit so I don't look like a complete ghost, I'm going to be using the MUA little powder. These little powders are £1 each, and this is just a little bronze one. And for a cheap blush, I'm absolutely in love with this. I know it's another Primark, and I'm not sponsored by Primark, I promise.
I really wish it was, because I love Primark.
But yeah, this is my most favourite blush from Primark. I don't even think you can get this one anymore. And it's the Desire one, and they're only £1.50, and I absolutely love this. I would have gone over budget if I got a highlighter.
But your girl isn't going without highlighter. Oh no. I cannot go without highlighter on my face.
So, I'm going to get my little fan brush, and in this little palette, I'm going to be using this one, which is called Peace, and I'm going to use that as my highlight.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Before we go on to the rest of the face, which is the under eyes, I'm going to use the primer water again and spritz that.
Totally obsessed with this stuff, absolutely. Love it.
Turn it into Sweetness and pop that under the eye. And I'm just using like a little angle brush just so that I can get right up to that lash line. this little colour, which is called Wild Hearts. Then I'm going to go into that Tough Love, which is that dark purple shade, and I'm going to pop that on the outer corners. So firstly, I'm going to curl my lashes with my Primark eyelash curlers. I'm going to be using this mascara, which is the Turn Up the Volume and Define mascara from the Makeup Gallery, which is the Poundland mascara. So for lips, guys, I'm going to be using this little matte lipstick from Primark. This was £1.
Water again and just set everything in place.
So that's the end of the video, guys. Really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. It helps your girl out, helps out the channel. And yeah, until next time, stay beautiful and I will love you and leave you. So see you soon, guys. Love you all.